Our dear students, welcome back to English, Family and Friends 4, Grade 4, Semester 1, Unit 2, My Weekend, Lesson 3, Grammar. Before we start our lesson, I need to remind you that you need your mini board, a marker, or a piece of paper and a pencil. Let's go over our lesson's objective. By the end of today's lesson, you are going to be able to identify the positive and negative forms of like and question form. Now, I want you to listen to the conversation between these two boys, and I want you to notice how we answer questions about hobbies. Let's see. Do you like climbing? Yes, I do. Do you like taking photos? No, I don't. Do you like skateboarding? No, I don't. Do you like drawing? Yes, I do. Now, what do your friends like to do at the weekend? Do Jack and Billy like fishing? Do Jack and Billy like fishing? As we can see here, we are talking about two boys. So when we answer this question, we use they. Yes, they do. Do Amy and Jane like playing football? Do Amy and Jane like playing football? No, they don't. No, they don't. Does Rob like reading comics? Does Rob like reading comics? Now, as you can see here, we have one boy. So, when we answer the question, we use he. Yes, he does. Does Kathy like playing chess? Does Kathy like playing chess? Now, here Kathy is the name of a girl, so we will use she to answer the question. No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. How do we answer questions starting with do or does? Now, remember from our previous lesson, the pronouns she, he, and it take does. And they, you, I, and we take do. So, here we have an example. Does Ellie like drawing? Or we can also say, does she like drawing? It's the same. You can either use a name or a pronoun. Do Ellie and Lucy like drawing? Or we can say, do they like drawing? Now, how do we answer a question starting with do or does? Does Max like painting? Yes, he does. Or we can say, no, he doesn't. Now remember, doesn't, it's the same as does not. Do Rob and Lucy like drawing? We can say, yes, they do. Or we can say, no, they don't. Now remember, don't, it's also the same as do not. Now, get your mini board ready. I have here pictures with questions. You will have to choose the correct answer. Let's see picture number 1. Here we have a girl and the hobby is cooking. And as you can see, we have a happy face. Let's read the question together. Does Ellie like cooking? What's your answer? Is it yes, she does, or no, she doesn't? Look at the face. Is it a happy face or a sad face? Well done. The answer is yes, she does. 2. Do Leo and his friends like running? Is it yes they do or no they don't? Very good. The answer is no they don't. Let's see number 3. Here we have drawing, the hobby, and we have a sad face. Do Jane and Emma like drawing? Is it yes they do or no they don't? It's a sad face. Excellent. So the answer is no they don't. And our last picture, we have a happy face. Does Jack like painting? Should we say yes he does or no he doesn't? Excellent. Yes, he does. Now, here we have a table and we have 3 kids. We have Leo, Emma and Thomas. And we have the hobbies. We have skateboarding, fishing, climbing, taking photos and playing chess. And as you can remember, the happy face is for like and the sad face is for don't or doesn't like. Let's see. Does Leo like fishing? Now let's go here to Leo and see. Fishing. Here, the second hobby. Does he like fishing? What's the answer? No, he doesn't. Well done. Let's see number 2. Does Emma like skateboarding? Where is Emma? It's this girl. And the skateboarding, it's the first hobby. Does she like skateboarding? Yes, she does. Well done. Does Thomas like taking photos? Where's Thomas? Can you see him? It's this boy. And taking photos. Does he like taking photos? Yes, he does. What about question number 4? Do Leo and Emma like playing chess? Here we have 2 kids, so we use they. Let's see, playing chess. So both of them, they like playing chess. So our answer should be yes, they do. And the last question, do Thomas and Leo like climbing? So let's see, climbing. Thomas and Leo, do they like climbing? It's a sad face. Very good. The answer is no, they don't. Now here we have some more questions. And again we have a table. Let's see the kids. We have Kate, Smith, and Mike. And here we have these hobbies. We have reading comics, playing football, and swimming. Let's see. Does Kate like playing football? Now let's see here in the table we have a sad face. So what's the answer? Is it yes she does or no she doesn't? Write it down on your mini board. Very good. It's no, she doesn't. Let's see number 2. Does Smith like reading comics? Where is Smith? Can you find him? Well done. It's the second boy. And reading comics is the first hobby. Does he like reading comics? Yes, he does. And number 3. Do Smith and Mike like playing football? Now let's remember we have 2 kids here, Smith and Mike. So we must use they in the answer. Yes, they do. And last one, number 4, do Kate and Smith like swimming? So let's find Kate and Smith and the hobby swimming. Do they like swimming? No, they don't. And now it's time for you to answer questions about yourself. Let's see here. Number 5. Do you like playing basketball? So you can either choose yes, I do or no, I don't. Write down the answer on your mini board. Well done. And here, Do you like painting? You can either write yes I do or no I don't. This was the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching.